Top 3 Microwaves. Welcome to the Ultimate Microwave Showdown. In this video, we're diving into the features and functionalities of 3 popular microwaves: the Salter Duowave, Samsung Large Capacity Solo Microwave, and Swan Nordic Digital Microwave. If you're in the market for a microwave and can't decide which one suits your needs, stick around. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which microwave might be perfect for you. Today, we're looking at 3 models that bring diverse capabilities and styles to the table: the versatile Salter Duowave, the reliable Samsung Large Capacity Solo Microwave, and the stylish Swan Nordic Digital Microwave. Each of these models represents a different approach to fulfilling your kitchen needs. Let's kick off with the Salter Duowave. This is not your average microwave. It's a 2-in-1 appliance, combining the functions of a microwave and an air fryer into one, featuring a spacious 26-liter capacity. This makes it highly suited for families that require a multifunctional machine to handle everything from reheating to frying. Equipped with 10 preset functions, the Duowave is all about versatility. It provides a robust cooking experience with its 900W microwave power, complemented by a 1500W air fryer element. This makes it ideal for anyone looking to add more diversity to their weekly menu without needing multiple appliances. One of the standout features of the Salter Duowave is its versatility. For a busy household, it means fewer appliances cluttering the countertop and more options for meal prep. It's particularly great at delivering crispy snacks without the need for added oils, thanks to its air fryer capabilities. However, the Salter Duowave is not without its downsides. Its bulky design may not be suitable for smaller kitchens. If counter space is a constraint for you, this might not be the ideal option. Next, let's explore the Samsung Large Capacity Solo Microwave. It's designed with a spacious 32-liter capacity, making it a great option for larger families. With its sleek and modern design, it seamlessly integrates with any kitchen decor while offering an efficient cooking solution. The Samsung Solo boasts a 1000W power output that ensures quick and efficient cooking, delivering reliable results with every use. The design is straightforward yet effective, focusing solely on providing excellent microwave functions without unnecessary extras. For those who value reliability and simplicity, the Samsung Solo is a perfect choice. Its spacious interior allows for large batch cooking, which is a huge convenience for families. Its marriage of form and function makes it an appealing choice for those wanting a straightforward microwave without the bells and whistles. However, the Samsung Solo might feel a bit basic for users looking for advanced features or multi-functionality. If you love gadgets with lots of options, this might not meet your expectations. Last up, we have the Swan Nordic Digital Microwave, a compact design with a 20-liter capacity. It's an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or for people who enjoy a minimalist aesthetic. Its Scandinavian design makes it a lovely addition to any modern kitchen. Despite its smaller size, this microwave is equipped with an efficient 800W power capability. It is ideal for solo users who need a compact solution that doesn't compromise on performance. The Swan Nordic Microwave doesn't just perform well, it also looks great. Its small footprint is perfect for apartment dwellers or those with limited kitchen counter space. Its elegance adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen setup. If you have a larger family, the Swan Nordic might not be sufficient due to its limited capacity. It's best suited for individual use or small households where large cooking capacities aren't a necessity. Now that we've introduced the 3 contenders, let's put them side by side. Each microwave has its strengths, but they differ in terms of design, functionality, and user-friendly aspects. Here, aesthetics play a crucial role. The Salter Duowave has a robust utilitarian look designed for heavy-duty tasks. The Samsung Solo sports a sleek, modern aesthetic that fits various decor styles, while the Swan Nordic stands out with its minimalist and stylish design, ideal for those who value appearance alongside functionality. In terms of functionality, the Salter Duo Wave offers the most with its dual appliance setup. The Samsung Solo focuses on reliability and straightforward operations, and the Swan Nordic provides a compact, efficient solution for simpler cooking tasks. Efficiency matters as much as space. The Samsung Solo's 1000W provides the best power for speedy meals. The Salter Duo Wave meets demands for multitasking with its combined microwave and air fryer wattage. However, the Swan Nordic, despite its lower capacity, efficiently fulfills basic cooking requirements. Considering the cost efficiency, each microwave provides value for its design and intended use. Salter Duo Wave's multi-functionality offsets its higher price, providing long-term savings with its dual features. Samsung's Solo microwave offers great value through its durability and consistent performance. Meanwhile, Swan combines affordability with style, making it budget-friendly for those not needing expansive cooking capacities. When choosing between these options, consider your kitchen's capacity, your household's needs, and personal cooking habits. Do you often cook in bulk or value a sleek appearance over functionality? Your answers guide your choice. Design does not only affect form, but also how it impacts your kitchen space. The Salter Duo Wave is for those who prioritize function over form. Samsung is modernly neutral, offering a balance of both, while the Swan Nordic showcases the kitchen's style with its aesthetic edge. Evaluating multi-functionality, the Salter Duo Wave stands out for its two-in-one feature, catering to diverse culinary needs. Conversely, Samsung and Swan offer simplicity and reliability, meeting basic heating and cooking needs. Summing up the review, all three microwaves bring something unique: versatility from Salter, capacity from Samsung, and style from Swan. Depending on your priorities, each of these microwaves can be considered the best choice. Here's a table of key specifications of each of the microwave. To make your final decision, weigh these factors. How important is cooking capacity? Do you prefer an appliance with multiple functions? Is kitchen style a priority? Use these guidelines to clarify your needs and find the best fit. Ultimately, your decision will depend on your personal preferences. The right microwave will seamlessly fit into your daily routine, making meal prep easier and more enjoyable. We hope this comparison helps illuminate the best choice for you. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which microwave you're leaning towards, or if you have prior experience with any of these models. I have attached the links for each of these microwaves in the description below. Make sure to click on it to buy your favorite microwave. Thank you for joining us in today's microwave comparison. If you love this content, check out our other appliance reviews for more insights into making the perfect choice for your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging and informative content.